Okay, everybody, I'm going to kind of move my picture around. I think I'm going to just put it in hiding. There we go. All right, so this was your homework for this evening. The first question was is you needed to identify prime and composite numbers. So this first one right here, where it has your prime and your composites, which set of numbers belong in set B? So let's look at A. So A reads, I'm going to hide that little screen there. Let's see if I can get my pen. So A reads that it's 3, 29, and 14. All right, well, we know that 3 is a prime number. We know that 29 is a prime number. But what about 14? What are the factors of 14? Very good. It's 1. So if I do it like this, let me go ahead and do it this way. 1 and 14. And I'm going to try to do it. I left my mouse at school. And then I have 2 and 7. So this makes it how many? Yeah, you have 4. So this is a composite. So this one I have a prime, and a composite. So that doesn't work at all. So I'm just going to cross that out. Let's look at the next one. 22, 36, 42. Well, one, they're all even numbers, right? So what did we know about even numbers today? We know that you can split those in half. So they're divisible by 2. So they're all composites. I'm going to cross that one out. Look at C. 5, 19, and 37. Well, it looks like a very strong possibility. 5 is only 1 and 5. So I have 1 and 5. 19 is 1 and 19. And 37 is 1 and 37. So it looks like that these all could just be primes, right? But let's just double check on the next one for D. 7, 15. There we go with that 15, right? So with 15, I have 1 and 15. And then there's 3 and 5. So is that a prime number? No, it's not. So I can cross this one out. And so C is going to go into, it was not supposed to be that 0. C is going to go and set to B. All right, any questions on that one? See me tomorrow morning. All right, next one. Let me go ahead and take that. B. And I'm going to kind of move myself around. All right. Which equation below does not produce a composite number? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and erase this part here that I've. Okay, so there we go. And I want to make sure that I increase this part here. There we go. So which equation does not produce a composite, which means that we're looking for prime numbers. So I'm going to start multiplying. So this one right here, let me get my pen. I'm going to start off with 3 times 4. So I'm going to multiply this first. 3 times 4 equals 12. And then that's a 2. Bear with me. And then 12 times 2 equals 24. And that's not it because that's a composite. It has more than 2 factors. It's 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 4, and not 3 and 4. I'm so sorry. 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. And so those have a lot of factors in that one. So this cannot be the correct answer. Let's look at B. I'm going to start off with 2 times 4. That is 8. Got to multiply first in order of operations, which we're going to be covering this week. Then I'm going to add my 5. So 8 plus 5 equals 13. Ooh, strong possibility. Because I only have 1 and 13. Next one is going to be 2 times 7. That's 14. 14 plus 2 equals 16. 16 is a composite number. So I'm going to circle this as question. And look at the last one. 2 times 12 equals 24. Then I have 24 times 2, 48. And we determined today that 48 is a composite number, so that can't be it. So the correct answer then is B. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this back. Let me go ahead and erase that part. And let me go ahead and bring in the next one. All right, this one here, this is which arrangement of desks identifies a prime number of desks. So is it arrangement 1? So in this one here, I have, let me get my pen. And I'm going to kind of highlight, what are my colors? Let me do yellow. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Oops, what do you know about 14? 14 is a composite number. Let's look at the next one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, 7. 1 times 7 is 7. Is there any other way? Nope. So that's a possibility. What about this one here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. Even number, can it have? Yep, absolutely. So this is composite. This is composite. You said this was prime. Well, let's see about this next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. Ooh, even number can split in half, divided by 2. Absolutely. So this is going to be a composite. So which is the only one that's a prime number? Very good. It's going to be B, arrangement number 2. Good work, guys. All right, let's take a look at this next problem. This is one array for a number is shown below. Does this array identify a prime or composite? Okay, so I have 1, and how many are in the row? So I'm going to go ahead and get my marker, and I'm going to change that to orange. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 times 8 is 8. I know that 8 can be split in half, so it's divisible by 2 because 2 times 4 equals 8. So it makes it a composite number. All right, let's take a look at this last one. It's here someplace. Let me find it. There you go. Okay. A fifth grader shaded the grid as shown below. And this is what you did today. You were shading your grids. What describes all the shaded numbers? Oh, this is interesting because we did this today. Remember, there's that 2. We said that 2 is what? Prime or composite? Yep, it's prime because we said that 2, it's 1 times 2, and that's all. So it has 2 factors. So the 3 is a prime, 5 is a prime, 7, 11, 13 are primes, 17, and 19. So they are all prime. And then I circled the light blue. All right, that was it for tonight's homework. If you're still having problems, come see me in the morning. If not, you guys have a great evening. Talk to you later. Bye.